In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using Bluetooth and start playing your favorite Steam games. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring you can enjoy a seamless gaming experience without any hassle. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Bluetooth settings on your PC. This can usually be done by navigating to the settings menu and selecting Bluetooth from the options. If you're having trouble locating it, try using the search function on your computer to pinpoint the settings quicker. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, make sure it's turned on. Next, let's connect your PS4 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. Start by pressing and holding the PS and the share buttons on your controller simultaneously. This will put the controller into pairing mode, and you'll notice the light bar on the controller starts flashing. Move over to your PC and look for a device named wireless controller in the list of Bluetooth devices. Click on it to pair your controller with your PC. You may be prompted to enter a PIN or confirm the pairing, so just follow any on-screen instructions that pop up. Once your controller is connected, it's time to open up the Steam app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll need to install and set up a Steam account. After opening Steam, look for the login button if you're not already logged in. Simply click on it, enter your account name and password, and then click on sign in. This will get you to your Steam homepage, where all the nerve centers of your gaming experience begin. From your Steam homepage, direct your attention to the top left corner, where you'll find the Steam drop-down menu. Click on that and then navigate to the settings option. Once you're in the settings, look for the controller option and click on it. This is where you'll find the magic switch, enable the PlayStation configuration support. By doing this, Steam automatically recognizes your PS4 controller, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Now, with your PS4 controller connected to your PC, you're ready to dive into Steam games. However, before you jump right in, you might want to fine-tune your controller settings. Head back into the controller menu and select Calibrate if you feel any adjustments need to be made. This will allow you to ensure that every button responds exactly as you desire, giving you the edge in any game you play. That's it! You're all set to enjoy gaming on Steam with your trusty PS4 controller without the hassle of wires. Happy gaming!